Lala, lumabas na si Papa. Pinaiyak niya lang talaga ako. Hi everyone! My name is Lilian. Thank you so much for watching. Kung bago ka lang po sa channel ko, hi po ulit sa'yo. And kung dati ka ng subscriber, hello and welcome back. So today is a reaction day. Kasi nandito na naman si Papang. Umiiyak na naman siya kanina.
Hindi ako umiyak ha.
Hindi na umiyak. Pero pagpasok niya ng kwarto, gang panoorin mo to, panoorin mo to.
Ako?
Ako busy pa ako eh. Sabi niya, panoorin ko daw kasi maiyak daw ako.
Sinabi ko, panoorin mo lang.
So, kung gusto niyo makita yung aming reaction video kay Fumiya pa rin.
Fumiya.
Kay Fumiya, well, chillax lang po kayo dyan and just keep on watching.
Tingnan yung mata nito. Kung may... ano.
Naka-makeup ako eh.
Ready?
Already.
Okay, what you feel? We should talk to now?
If you have decision already.
Sa alang-alang ko po yung pangarap po, kuya. Saka ano po, kuya, kakaibigan po namin, kuya.
You have?
I have. You
So,
have?
mag-decision sila sino ang alisak nila. Parang gano'n.
This so
Ano yan? Hindi ko alam eh.
risky decision before we enter this house. We have chemistry.
Yeah.
I noticed that.
Yeah.
And then we had to this time separate. And this is separation is very difficult for me.
I came here in this house because I have dream. I really want to come through my dream. Yeah, before also,
Hindi ka nakikita sa
diba? Before, I don't have friends in the Philippines. Pero I came here in this house. I met many housemates, especially you. Very always same thinking, same feelings,
Same thinking.
very similar situation. And then I learned
Sila lang man kasi talaga
a
nagkakaintindihan
lot
pa, di ba no?
from you.
Kaya sabi ni Fumiya,
And then
same
I
thinking.
know
Kasi sila lang talaga.
Your dream, and then your
Di ba kahit mahirap
Story.
mahirap mag-English si
Behind
Yam Yam,
the story.
di ba pa? Tapos mahirap naman mag-Tagalog si Fumiya.
and then, pero I have to choose, diba? This dream is if I can do something, I want to help for you.
Bait ni
This is-
Fumiya pa. Ang bait ni Fumiya talaga.
One of my dream also. You are my brother. I really support you.
Naiyak na ako.
I learned a lot of things from you. I very appreciate it. That's why I very support you. So my decision is I became nomination.
Dapat isa lang mo sila ka.
Ang mabilin. So, ang pinili ni Fumiya, may eviction siya.
because to separate. Because I want to see each of us to get a gold medallion. If we together, we always win. We have the same dream. We have a dream. Each of us, we have dreams. And also, I treat you as a brother. That's why it's so hard for me to decide about this situation. We stay in a long time in this house. But each of us has to give way. I didn't.
Nailalim mo po, boy. Pahilang ko ni mo pa. Tapos ito matawa kasi napaiyak mo ako. Ano bahay ka? May isa pa? May isa pa daw? Ano bahay ka pa?
Ang itinarating ni Kuya Pinoy.
Second video.
Mamaya,
Sabi ni Papang.
lahat ay magtitipon sa living room. Kung sino sa inyong dalawa ni Yan ang magdidesisyon na maging automatically
Makeup ko na, ano na.
nominated ay kukunin
Nahulas ng makeup ko.
ito.
Natawad.
Sandali pa.
Kanina ay nangyari ang Big Jump to the Big Four Challenge kung saan lumaban sina Fumia at si Yamyam. At ang naging resulta nito, sila ay nabigo. At dahil dyan, isa lamang kina Fumia at Yamyam ang makakapagpatuloy sa susunod na level ng Big Jump Challenge. Ngunit, ang isa sa kanila ay magiging automatically nominated for eviction. At ang desisyong ito ay sila mismo ang gumawa. Fumia, Yamyam, kung ano man ang inyong naging desisyon, ipaalam niyo na ito sa lahat ngayon.
Sobrang hirap. Nasaktan talaga po ako, kuya.
I came here in this house for my dream. Pero I met Yamyam. He's like my real brother. I was thinking
Start pa kasi sila eh.
a
Ayun na siya tinapawin.
new dream
Tapos ka na kasi umiyak eh.
is
Kanina pa kasi siya umiiyak.
I want to
Doon sa kabilang kwarto.
Yamyam. I've never experienced like these feelings. He's very important person for me. That's why I decide became nominated. This is my reason.
Tinatanggap ko ang desisyon mo, Fumia. Dahil dyan, you are automatically nominated for eviction. At Yamyam, ikaw ang magpapatuloy ng laban para sa Big Jump to the Big Four. Challenge.
Ngayon pala, sinasabi ko na, boto nyo na si Fumiya kung nasa Pilipinas kayo. Tagal na ba ito pa? Kailan pa ito? Bago ito?
Napakabait ni Fumiya na nag-giveaway siya for
Boto niyo po si Fumiya.
Napaka-selfless niya.
Si Kuya Yamyam gagawin ang lahat para kay Fumiya. Si Fumiya gagawin ang lahat para kay Kuya Yamyam. Inspirasyon na po sila, yung stories nila.
Ako yung patuloy na lalaban.
His dream is also my dream.
Okay na?
Okay na. Salbahe ka. Naiyak mo lang talaga ako. So that's it for today's reaction video. Oh my God. Kung nasa Pilipinas po kayo, tapos meron kayong chance mag-vote, paki-vote po si Fumiya. Ayan, napakabait na bata. Nakakaiyak talaga. Oh my God, hindi ko. Yun lang. Again, maraming salamat sa panonood today. Kung hindi ka pa po subscriber, please do subscribe to my channel by simply smashing that subscribe button down below. Pa-click po yung tiny bell katabi ng subscribe button. Tapos kung meron kayong mga videos na gusto nyo gawa namin ng reaction video ni Papang, i-comment nyo lang down below. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video today, please give this video a thumbs up. Again, maraming salamat po sa panonood. And remember guys, whatever you are, be a good one. Bye-bye for now and see you again on our next one. Mwah!